Hello everyone, and welcome to JJ Squad. Cleaning daily with Calypso and Skittles, my green wing McCall. Today I want to show y'all something. Stand by. My birds has been growing new feathers. As you can see, they are all over the place. So guess what I'm gonna be doing with my trusty bad boy? We're gonna be doing some leaf blowing around here. Stand by to get dirty. And y'all gonna watch me work. The thing about it is, y'all will not be messy like I will. Let's see if get this thing working. Yeah. All right, let's look and see what we done did, man. It looks a lot better. I'm not done blowing it yet. I just wanted y'all to see how easy it is doing it this way instead of just sweeping. I'm gonna get ready to pressure wash later on. As you can see, one of my birds, Calypso, is sitting up there in the sun, just chilling, relaxing, ready for her turn in the shower. Stand by for part 2, cleaning the cage.